This is not a normal comet.
Maybe it's an alien comet.
Aliens. Always with aliens.
Whatever it is, we need to take a closer look.
How close?
Closer than I would like.
Knowing how much you love rocks, that's really saying something.
If we're gonna stop it, we need to understand it.
Let's go. Everyone hold on.
I don't remember authorizing them to land on the comet.
Josie, Hugo, come in.
Strange. There's significant intermodulation.
Dust and ice don't cause intermodulation. No comet could do that.
I think the chances of this being a comet are growing slimmer by the second.
Will we sink right through?
Unlikely. The ice should cool our landing gear and then we'll...
That doesn't sound like ice.